Yeah, same color as what you have in the 57.
Shooting a little bit of video on this here.
Yeah, with that thing, dude? I think so.
Yeah, I think everybody has to cut these out, like around here.
Right, exactly.
That is cool.
Man, what a bummer though. The tail light. One tail light is.
Oh, late model. Late model. Those are early cars.
Okay.
Look at this orange. Cool.
Oh shit, yeah, it's cool.
Color. It's original, isn't it? This one's I just
Look at that. That's cool.
yeah.
Oh, no way. That's cool. That's a little...
Zipline, zipline. It's almost like, I don't know.
Look at this thing. Fuck your crew.
What does it say?
Fuck your crew.
So I put my backup over went out a couple of weeks ago. Put a crank trigger on 7.5. And I did measure the pulley diameters.
Mm-hmm.
And I can't because I wouldn't. But it's fun. And then the next, you know, when I finally.
Dude, that is a nuts split.
Yeah, it is. 66 daily, huh? Wow. I think this car is going to get featured.
I saw pictures on the hood. I'm like,
Look at that. That's cool.
oh, yeah. Way, man.
Right, so guys, this is inside empi. If you always wondered what it was like, it was actually a huge warehouse, way bigger than I ever thought it would be. And they literally send tens of thousands of parts out of this place a day. So there's some machines in there. There's like, I mean, they're actually doing CNC stuff, making new parts, actually made in the facility. Some of the stuff, of course, is made in China. Some stuff empi is good, some isn't. You know, I mean, it's just like some people say, oh, all empi stuff's garbage, but there's a lot of stuff that they're really trying to turn that around right now, and that was kind of the point of doing this open house, is they were trying to show that they're really trying to step up their game. Of course, you know, they're still going to make stuff in China. I mean, a lot of good stuff is actually made in China, but their QC is better than you know, what they used to be. So they're attempting to make it better. Anything that they're having problems with, they want to know, and be sure to let them know if you have a problem with something, because they're really trying to step it up. That's the point of this thing. So it's kind of cool. I got in on the VIP first look. Not everybody was in on this. I just kind of was able to go into the warehouse with all the like hot VWs and some of the other very cool guys, and we're gonna be probably doing something here with hot VWs pretty soon. So I'm hoping I got to talk to them again and try and they have a YouTube channel and there's not very many subscribers on it, but hoping that we can help them get that rolling. And but that was really cool. We got to see this is all the machine stuff. It's moving around kind of fast, so I can hardly tell. But that was about it. We're kind of walking our way out right there. Alright, so they've actually teamed up with the guy who built this car. They're going to be making some kits of some of the things. I don't know what things they're going to make. I'm hoping that they're going to make this shifter. Man, that's a badass shifter. It's like an index shifter, looked like to me, for racing. So I don't know what they're going to make. Well, I'm just guessing. But it was an announcement that they had this thing empi's doing. So it's kind of cool. So I saw some stuff there I didn't really saw before empi, and was talking to some of the guys who, some of the old racing guys who were there. Old guys who knew people that I knew and stuff. So it's kind of neat. I like to do that. But yeah, that's a pretty neat car right there. I love that split window. Just I hate to see one get lowered and cut up and stuff, but man, that thing was really cool. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Be sure to comment.